Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So first method, update your driver. So right click to Windows icon, click to device manager, then one by one all update like extract display driver. So right click to update driver and search automatically from the driver. So it is download from the Google and officially website. So click this like and then close. Then network, so that is the LAN driver. So again right click to update driver and search automatically from the device drives and then close. So as it is some one by one, okay, this is universal if 3.0 and right click to same update and search automatically, then close it. So then close it. Then next, try clean boot second. So click to start, type, otherwise you can Windows R and type ms config and then ok. Services, disable, sorry, hide all Microsoft services, select all and disable. That is already disabled, that's why disable tab is not showing, and then apply and ok. Next, uninstall latest update. So click to start and type control panel and uninstall program. So firstly view by select the category, uninstall program, uninstall, view install update. So that is install. So firstly last update you have to uninstall, click to uninstall and do not restart, okay. Then next, scan malwares. If you have antivirus, so try to antivirus, other you don't have, so try to Windows security, that is a Windows security. So if it not showing the icon here, so you can click to start and type Windows security, then virus and threat protections, then scan options, then slow down, check this is official and take to minimum 15 minutes, okay, and then click to scan now, then click to scan now. So guys, then click to scan and then x, yes, to click given the access. So automatically start for the scanning. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.